How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? See, first 3-digit number is 100, 11th one, and so on. Last 3-digit number 999. Is it divisible by 7? No, this is also not divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 and divisible by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are, remainder is 2. Therefore, 100 minus 2, that is 98. This is a divisible by 7, but it is a 2-digit number. So adding 7 to this number, we got the 3-digit number, that is 105. 105 is the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7, and this one. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 5. Therefore, 999 minus 5, we got 994, right? Now, last 3-digit number which is divisible by 4 is 994. So, how many 3-digit numbers? So, how many numbers that are lying between 105 to 994? That means a mth term we need to find out. What is first term here? 105. What is last term is here? 994. So a nth term is 994. A first term is 105. Common difference. Common difference. Any two numbers, the difference between any two numbers which is divisible by 7 is 7. Therefore, common difference is 7. A plus n minus 1 into d. That means 994 plus 105 plus n minus 1 into d value is 7. That means coming to this side, 994 minus 105. What is here? 14 minus 5, 9, right? 8, right? That is 8. Okay? 8, 8, 9. 8, 8, 9 is the difference. Minus n minus 1 into 7. Now, 8, 8, 9 by 7 is equals to n minus 1. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. 127 is equals to n minus 1. N is equals to 127 plus 1. That is 128. Here 128 terms which are lying between 105 and 994, and these are the 128 terms are divisible by 7. Okay? 11th term. 11th sum. Next one, 12th sum. 12th one. How many multiples 4 lying between 10 to 250? See, 10 to 250. 250. Is it divisible by 4? See, how many multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 which are lying between 10 to 250. This is not divisible by 4, and this one is also not divisible by 4. See, divisible by 4 and this is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 2. So, 10 minus 2, which is 8. 8 is divisible by 4. But this is not lying between 10 to 250, no? So, which number divisible by 4 after 8? So, we have to 4 here. Now, 12. 12 is the first number which is divisible by 4 in 2 digits. So, here 4 2s are and 2. Remainder is 2. So, 250 minus 2, 248 is the last term which is divisible by 4. Now, what is 8th term? A is equals to 12. A nth term is equals to 248. 248 is equals to 12 plus n minus 1 into, what is d value? Common difference is 4 in all the sequence. Now, coming to this side, 248 minus 12. 6, 3, 2. 236 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. Now, 4 n minus 1 is equals to 236 by 4. 236 divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20, 3 6, 9, 36. That means 59. This is 59, and n minus 1 is equals to 59. N is equals to 59 plus 1. N is equals to 60. There are 60 terms are there between 12 and 248. Next one. What for what values of n nth terms of 2 APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. See, this is nth terms are equal. Now we need to equate their nth terms. Now 63, 65, 67 and so on. This is one sequence, and other sequence is 3, 10, 17 and so on. This is also another sequence. What is nth term here? A plus n minus 1 into d. Here is also a plus n minus 1 into d. He is asking equate their nth terms. Now what is a here? 63 plus n minus 1 into, what is common difference? 65 minus 63. That is 2 is the common difference, 2, which is equals to, what is a here? 3 plus n minus 1 into, what is common difference? 10 minus 3. That is 7. Okay. Now 63 plus 63, coming to this side 3 minus 3. Now n minus 1 into 7 minus n minus 1 into 2. This is 60. How many n minus 1s are there? 7. How many n minus 1s are there? 2. 7 minus 2? 5. Therefore, n minus 1 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are. n minus 1 is equals to 12. N is equals to 12 plus 1. That is, n is equals to 13 is the nth term. The 13th term is equal in both the sequence. Okay. Next one. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term, what is seventh term? A7 exceeds the fifth term by 12. A plus 6D is equal minus A minus 4D is equals to 12. Both are getting cancelled. 2D is equals to 12. D is equals to 6 here. D is equals to 6 here. What is given? Determine AP whose third term is 16. That means A plus 2D is 16. A plus 2 into 6 is equals to 16. A is equals to 16 minus 12. A is equals to 4. Now series is 4. What is D? 6. 4 plus 6? 10. 10 plus 6? 16. 16 plus 6? 22. 22 plus 6? 28. This is the sequence. Next one. What is, which number is this? 14th one. This is a 14th sum. Next one. 15th one. 15th one is one of the important sum. Before going to the 15th one, now we are exercise in example. We need to solve one problem. That is, see, in example 8th example, see. 8th example 8. Now find 11th term from the last of an AP given below. What is AP here? 10, 7, 4 and so on minus 62. Find 11th term. We need to calculate the nth term of the AP. Minus 62 is equals to A plus 10 plus n minus 1 into D value is 7 minus 10 minus 3. Okay. Now minus 62 coming to this side minus 72 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus a minus getting cancelled. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 24 is equals to n minus 1. N is equals to 25. There are 25 terms in the series. Find the 11th term from the last. Now 25 minus 11, that is 4, 14. Adding 1 to this one, 15. This 15th term from the first is the 11th term from the last. Therefore, A15 is equals to A plus 14D. What is A value? 10 plus 14 into what is D value? What is D value? D is equals to 7 minus 10 minus 3. Minus 3. 10, 42. That is minus 32 is the 11th term from the end and 5th term from the first. Now go for exercise problem. What is exercise problem here means find the 20th term from the end. See 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. First find out the nth term. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is A nth term is A 253. A term is 3 plus n minus 1 into what is D here? D is equals to 8 minus 3, that is 5 plus 5. Now 5. See 253 minus 3, 250. N minus 1 into 5. 5 5s are 50. 50 n minus 1. Therefore n is equals to 51. There are 51 terms are there in the series. Now find the 20th term from the end. 20th term from the end means 51 minus 20 gives the 31. 31 plus 1, that is 32. 32 term is from front side is the last from which term? That is 20th from the last. That is A plus 31D. What is A value? 3 plus 31 into D value is 5. 3 plus 153, that is 156 is the term which is 32 from the first and 20th from the end. Right? Next one. See, the sum of 4 and 8 terms of an AP is 24. What is 4th term? A plus 3D. This is 16th one. Huh? What is 7th, 8th? A plus 7D. The sum of these two terms of an AP is 24. 24. That means 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. Next. The sum of 6th and 10th term. What is 6th term? A plus 5D. What is 10th term? A plus 9D. This is 44. What is 44? Adding these two, 2A plus 14D. 14D is equals to 44. Okay. Now subtracting these two, getting cancelled. 4D is equals to 0 to D is equals to 5. What is common difference is 5. Now find the first 3 terms of an AP. See, substitute this value in this equation. Now 2A plus 10 into D value is 5 is equals to 24. 2A is equals to 24 minus 50 is equals to 26, right? 26 is equals to 2A minus 26. A is equals to minus 13. A is equals to minus 13 is the first term. What you have find out first 3 term. That means first term is minus 13. Adding 5 to this number gives the next term. That is minus 8. Okay. Minus 13 plus 5. 8 na? 8. Adding 5 to this one minus 8. Adding to 5 to this one gives the next term. That is minus 3. These are the first 3 terms of an AP. Now Subbarao started his job. Subbarao started his job in 1995 at monthly salary of 5,000. Subbarao monthly salary is 5,000 at the initial stage. Initial stage, Subbarao salary how much? 5,000. See, Subbarao started his job in 1995. In 1995, he is joining his job. In this year, his monthly salary was 5,000. In this year, his salary was 5,000. And receiving an increment 200 in each year. First year he got 5,000. Second year 5,200, right? 5,200. Next year 5,400. Okay. Next year 5,600. Like this. So what is common difference here? Common difference is 200, right? Therefore, D is equals to 200. What is the first term? First term is the initial salary what he was receiving at the time of joining. That is 5,000. That means A is equals to 5,000. Now, question is, in which year did his salary was 7,000? In which year did his salary was 7,000? This is which year? That means we need to find out the nth term of the given series. What is here? This is AN. AN is equals to 7. 7,000 is the nth term of the given series. Now, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is 7,000. A value is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D value is 200. 200. Which is equals to 7,000. N minus 1 into 200 is equals to 7,000 minus 5,000, which value is 2,000. Both are getting cancelled. This is 10. N minus 1 is equals to 10. N is equals to 10 plus 1. N is equals to 11. After 11 years, he got the salary is 7,000. Joining date is 1995. Adding 11,6002. That means in 2006 he received the amount of 7,000. Okay.